Hello everyone, welcome to our demonstration for AAMAS conference. Although using computer-aided dispatch systems could simplify the management of rescue units, emergency operators still need to manually select appropriate units and deploy them for emergency incidents. In this demonstration, we present an agent-based computer-aided system to organize multiple emergency departments to automatically dispatch appropriate rescue units for different types of emergency incidents. The proposed ACAD system is implemented as a web-based system, which contains a server-side application and an Android mobile application that can interact with the server application. The system can be accessed from any computer that has a web browser and internet connection. During the emergency response of an incident, our system will use multiple animations to illustrate how agents interact and coordinate with each other to make unit deployment decisions. At the end of the emergency response, a report will be generated to provide statistic information of the unit deployment result.
In detail, the server-side application is designed as the emergency response control center based on Google Maps, which can access the real-world information to demonstrate the system's functionalities, such as emergency facilities, roads, and traffic conditions. So we are going to start our simulation in our current location, which is the city of Wollongong. So the server-side application allows users to randomly generate emergency incidents with different attribute settings on Google Maps. When the information of an emergency incident is received by the system, a processing thread will be automatically generated to handle the emergency response of the incidents. First, the emergency response control components assigns a response agent to analyze the incident information, such as incident content, severity, required units, and so on, and generate a set of unit deployment tasks. Each unit deployment task only requires one type of rescue units. Then these tasks are passed to a deployment agent who will send task information to relevant emergency facilities near the incident in location. In the unit management component, a facility agent who received a unit deployment task needs to propose a unit deployment plan based on the availability of the facility units and sends the plan back to the deployment agent. After the deployment agent receives all unit deployment plans from selected facility agents, it needs to combine these plans and use a predefined cost function to generate an optimal plan for each unit deployment task. In our system, the cost function used for the plan calculation can be customized with different cost attributes and weighting according to local emergency departments' response codes and protocols. Finally, each of the unit deployment plans will be sent to relevant emergency facilities, in which facility agent will inform mobile agents to execute the unit deployment request. As you can see that our Android application accepts the deployment and the simulation starts. The mobile application will display the detail of the emergency response. If user choose to accept the unit deployment request, a mobile application will calculate the shortest route from the unit's facility to the incident location and simulate the unit movement on Google Maps based on the live traffic information. As you can see, users, especially for the facilities, can check a rescue unit through our mobile application, and the movement of the unit will synchronize the movement on the facility agent interface and the emergency response control interface. As mentioned before, all the information such as emergency facilities and roads and traffic conditions are the real-world information. For demonstration purpose, we simulate the availability and the number of resources for each facilities by ourselves. Once we can access the real-world information, our system can be adapted for the real-world usage. After the mobile application, which is the Android application, reach to the incident location, the report will be generated for both mobile and for the main interface as well for further usage. And we can start the simulation again. Thanks for watching.